hey when I hear until the thumta mai puan tur kan ya nizan lama khan kanina pro Punjab we pui tu te tin Ilaya People's Arm Wrestling Federation of India kan president ke the Mizoram Arm Wrestling Association ho tu tene kan so hoa to the kan tu na chunia. I think it would be injustice if we don't have the president and secretary of Mizoram Arm Wrestling Association serving with us. Karune secretary le president clothing veru le kampun. Tu na hianin kampun tu rahi ami khani zana hang kampun na la December Sanghi Somnile Palihian Mizoram International Arm Wrestling Event Lian Mega Mizoram match.
Yes.
Pro Punjab Mega Mizoram match Don't eat to Nahian Long taking Kampuang. Denic Vrs Pohi Atil Dona El Puitur, he and he main event and he don't have a water to Nahian Kampuang. El Puitur, he international arm wrestler. And he had a childhood dona. Then he got shot in the Loving Katakan, international arm wrestler, then on Kalanga, Indian arm wrestler, Traten Lo Kalanga. Can Han Roman Tuak Danachuan, La Muala Zanlama, at the Donem Nian Kantia. December of Nulam he can do Ruachuna Oma. A White Aizawl Christmas, the Kumtarinkarnis, some Nipariate, and so we talk about 28 December, it's not yet finalized.
Yeah, second.
So, Anita Kakan La Sweet Hill. Engtikange December Hachon Nulama, Tiruanson can Rilrua, Aizawl Pon Lama Mitten Losin, Tekun Light the Cat Alolang Boxia, Christmas Mother, Boru of Remchang, Zan, Engtikai Mohen Cantidonem Niang Cantia, Canti to Rahitsu, Canpuang Lam Ta'a. So over to you to explain about the event.
I didn't understand one word you said, but no, I'm just kidding. I know, sir. I'm just kidding. So first of all, thank you again, sir, for your confidence in the sport, in the association, in the federation, in Pro Punjab League, in announcing the Pro Punjab event in Mizoram, and it's with great pride that we announce, along with that you announce that we will be coming. Pro Punjab will be having an international event in Aizawl, Mizoram, in the second half of December. We will be announcing the date very soon. It will be headlined by Denic, along with an international arm wrestler, and the rest of the matches also will be Mizo arm wrestlers versus the rest of India players. So that's why it is going to be a Mizoram mega match, Pro Punjab mega match. It is going to be very, very exciting, and I think it is really going to be one of the best and biggest sporting events that Mizoram will see. And again, I want to thank sir for the opportunity of doing this here. We are very grateful, and we will give it our all to make sure it is a very big success, along with the association, which has been doing wonderful work. Let me congratulate them again. They have been doing a lot of work on the ground, putting together resources from here or there to send athletes. It's not easy, especially as sir said, when the sport is not yet recognized or an Olympic sport, but they have been managing and doing a great job. And I know from here on, as you announced, they'll be getting some incentives and everything, so thank you for the support. Again, Pro Punjab mega matches Mizoram, Pro Punjab Mizoram mega matches second half December in Aizawl. It is going to be a very big event. I think it's going to be a totally sold out event, because thanks to Denic now winning the gold and becoming a big superstar here. I told him just one thing yesterday: don't let this get to your head, because the goal is to be #1 in the world. We want Denic to be #1 in the world. That is the goal, and therefore he already won the gold in the nationals. He is one of the best players, not just in his class. Let me just say, not just in his weight category, but he can defeat many, many players across weight categories heavier than him. So now we will start finding international competition for him, like he beat the Kazakhstan boy in Asian Arm Wrestling Cup. We will start matching him up with international matches, because we want to see him grow into the world #1. Thank you, everybody, and thank you, sir.
I just want to explain to everybody that as president of PAFI, People's Arm Wrestling Federation India, I want to everyone here in Mizoram to understand that one local boy from Mizoram in Mumbai had created a furore. The entire he made the entire audience in the hall chant Bharat Mata Ki Jai. So it is I think a huge achievement for Mizoram, and I think he deserves all the praise that's coming his way. Benjamin Mandalghaki, wish you many congratulations and many more medals coming your way. PAFI is very proud to have the Mizoram Arm Wrestling Association as a part of us, and we're sure it's going to be a lot more success from here. And as we announce this mega match together, I'm sure it's going to be a huge event.
Thank you. And I promise we will learn some Mizo language before we come next time. Yes, we understand, sir. Thank you.